Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today is day number 879 of buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day. It is July 2nd, 2021. We currently have Bitcoin at $33,600, up over 1% today, up over 5% over the past week, down 11% on the month, and up 269% over the past year. See kind of some sideways action here lately over the past month or so. So nothing too exciting, just seeing if these levels hold and we can go up from here, or if there's not enough support, we'll probably go lower. For this experiment, doesn't really matter. We just keep dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every single day. Let's take a look at today's news, see if there's anything important. Dutch football team looks to add Bitcoin on the balance sheet. I saw Michael Saylor, something with the mining council had good news. I also saw some big Bitcoin institutional news, so it seems like lots of good news. Not sure what's up with the volcano mining. The idea is pretty out there, but I don't think there's any bad news. Bitcoin probably just ran up a little bit too fast there when we saw these 60K levels, so probably needs to cool off a little bit. You can see it coming down and start to go sideways, so hopefully that's a good sign. Hopefully we don't come back down to these lower levels around 20K, but we'll just have to wait and see. Bitcoin owned 0.08813338. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. I made some videos recently about how to set stop losses and custom orders for Bitcoin, so definitely check out that tutorial if you're interested. So we purchased our $1 of Bitcoin for today, so my total balance comes to $2,964. You can take a look and see here, I increased my Bitcoin owned to 0.088162223. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,964, 2,964 divided by 879 days equals a 3.37x on our investment. So what that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.37, still doing very well with the dollar cost averaging strategy, and you're going to continue to do this until the end of time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.